Hi, Christine here with Madison.
Hi.
And this is National Drug and Alcohol Facts Week. And we're going to show a video from the National Institute on Drug Abuse, NIDA, has put out. And Madison's going to tell you a little bit about it as I get it ready to show.
Yeah, there was a list of 10 frequently asked questions from teens from 118,000 queries that NIDA received. And the number one question was, what is the worst drug? So we're going to be asking that, or we're going to be watching a video about that question today.
Okay, so what is the worst drug? Here's the video.
What is the worst drug?
Yeah, that's a very complicated question because there is depends on what kind of worse are you thinking about. And alcohol and nicotine are the most pervasive use drugs. And because of that, they also are accountable for a lot of deaths and also health issues that come because of prolonged use of these drugs or binge-like use of alcohol. And right now in the US, we have a very dangerous drug that is fentanyl, that is a synthetic opioid that has been mixed into other drugs. And it's contaminating meth, coke, heroin, and fentanyl is very potent and can cause death.
So drugs like methamphetamine and fentanyl are extremely dangerous for an individual who's using them, but other substances are more dangerous for the population at large because so many people use these substances and they can have dangerous effects. So one example of that is nicotine. Smoking causes nearly 500,000 related deaths a year, which is a pretty staggering mortality rate. Alcohol is also used by many people and it can result in health problems. It can result in overdose death. It can also cause people to be in hazardous situations, to get into car accidents as a result of impaired driving. So at a population level, since it's much more used, it is among one of the worst substances.
So when you hear these facts, you say, oh, well, cigarettes and alcohol must be the worst drugs I can take. But it really depends on the person. For someone, cigarettes may very well be the worst drug they can take. But you take someone else and it can be alcohol, it can be methamphetamine, which is a stimulant. So it definitely depends on the person. And again, depends on how you define worst.
For more information, check out teens.drugabuse.gov.
Okay. So as you can see, it's very complicated. There really isn't a worst drug. First we have to define what do you mean by worse. What causes more deaths? What causes, more instant deaths? I mean, there's many ways of looking at it. Did you have something that you wanted to add?
Just that, yeah, kind of what Christine in the video mentioned, that this is a very complicated question and a complicated topic, and it really just depends on how you define worst, and it varies from drug to drug, and it just kind of shows how dangerous these drugs are in just different ways.
Yes, I also posted on Instagram at the Preventiongram. There are posts regarding all the questions that were asked. There was 10 top questions that were asked. And so this was the number one question that teens asked. So if you'd like to, learn more, please follow me at the Preventiongram. Also, please like and share. And thanks for staying with us today. And we will see you again soon.
Bye.
Bye.